right down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below if you own the Echo Show 15 or any other Echo products. I just did a video for the Echo 4th generation, which I'll link down below. That'll be live before this one, so check that one out if you haven't already. Yeah, let's hop into it. Alright, yeah, so the Amazon Echo Show 15 is a 15.6-inch FHD 1080p touchscreen smart display. It's $330 Canadian. It can be wall mounted or stood on a sold separately stand. And it's Alexa voice controlled. That's compatible with Amazon Prime Video, Spotify, Netflix, and more. There's a photo frame view which turns the Echo Show into a dynamic digital photo frame. Customizable home screen built with multiple layers of privacy. Controls including mic and camera shut-off button and a built-in camera shutter for protecting privacy. The frame is black and white. Got a 5 megapixel camera. It's compatible with iOS and Android. It can be positioned in landscape or portrait view, like on the wall or on a stand. It's Bluetooth enabled for Bluetooth speaker functionality. Let's unbox the Amazon Echo Show 15. Alrighty, so here's the Amazon Echo Show 15, classic blue Amazon presentation. We've got Alexa on the bottom here with a photo of the actual product. And then on one side, says 15.6-inch 1080p Full HD touchscreen, landscape or portrait orientation, 5 megapixel camera with built-in shutter, Bluetooth, hands-free with Alexa, microphone and camera on-off button, and then in the box is the Echo Show 15, a power adapter, a white cord, wall mount, anchor, screws. Setup requires Wi-Fi. Device must be wall-mounted, electric drill required, or placed on a stand, sold separately. On the other side, see what matters most. Personalized display keeps your family in sync with shared calendars, sticky notes, shopping lists, photos, and more, all at a glance. Keep your smart home front and center. Have your favorite smart home devices at your fingertips. Ask Alexa to show the front door or nursery cameras. Stream in full HD. Watch news, TV shows, movies, and cooking videos on the crisp 1080p display. Yeah, so that's the some of the information. And what's in the box? What's on the box? Let's get into what's in the box. Nice simple pull tab on the bottom to open it up. Makes it nice and easy. So no unboxing knife needed. And then right away you see the device covered in some plastic. See right there. Nice solid weight to it. Nice black and white frame. The camera right there. Mounting system on the back there. Pretty cool. And also in the box the instructions. Shows you how to install it. File off to the side. We've got the mounting piece and a power brick. And we've got the mounting system, mounting template. Oh, cool! So it shows you how to connect everything and how to get it all set up. Cool. I don't know if I'm gonna mount this right away. Don't really want to be drilling holes in the wall, so I'll probably just have this standing next to my bed or something like that, or on my desk. At least for now, until I can buy a stand for it. Yeah, so that's what you get inside the box, and get this set up, and then we'll come back and do some tests. Let's keep it moving. Alrighty, so got the Amazon Echo Show 15 all set up. Took me a few minutes, not too long, probably 10 minutes tops. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So pretty nice build quality, good solid heavy feel. Volume buttons on the top, as well as the mute switch for the volume for the microphone and the camera, as well as a switch to close the camera, which is pretty cool. Some nice privacy features, which is pretty good. Yeah, that's how it looks. You can see some different recommendations. Oh, that's cool. Rotates automatically, which is pretty cool. So you can have this either in portrait or landscape. Pretty cool. That stands up by itself. Yeah, let's test this out and ask it some questions. It does stand up on its own, or you can also do a stand or mount it on the wall, like I said earlier. All right, Alexa, play The Butcher by Adam Calhoun. My usual sound test. Check out my reaction for this video. Sounds playing. Just the volume. Alexa, skip forward 10 seconds. Boom, there we go. It's pretty quick. Like I said, nice and loud. When you make it to the top, your best friend's your biggest hater. They'll shoot you in the back of the head, toss you in the back of the trunk, show up at your coffin with some flowers, acting like they love. Fuck 'em, not me, though. Alexa, pause. Boom, that's Spotify. It's pretty dope. There's also menu here with all of the settings. You got home, settings, do not disturb, alarms, brightness, notifications, widget gallery, a bunch of other stuff. Yeah, so pretty cool. It's obviously a touchscreen, like I said earlier. Swipe over to get your widgets. Pretty cool. Super dope. Ask it another question. Alexa, what is the weather in Austin, Texas?
Currently, in Austin, United States, it's 69 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly clear skies. Tonight, you can expect clouds with thunder showers, with a low of 69 degrees.
Alexa, who is Post Malone?
Austin Richard Post, known professionally as Post Malone, is an American rapper, singer,
right there on the
songwriter,
screen.
and
That's pretty cool. Alexa, what is Bluetooth?
Bluetooth is a technology standard for short-distance wireless data transfer using radio waves.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what is 10 times 10?
10 times 10 is 100.
It shows it right on the screen. That's pretty cool. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 10:06 p.m. Enjoy your night.
Thanks. Alexa, who are you?
I'm Alexa, and I respond when you say my name. There are lots of things we can do together. Ask me to tell you a joke, read you a book, listen to music, or play a game.
Alexa, who is Donald Trump?
Donald John Trump is an American politician who served as the 45th President of the United States from 2017 to 2021. Before entering politics, he was a businessman and television personality. Born and raised in Queens, New York City, Trump attended Fordham University for 2 years and received a bachelor's degree in economics from the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania.
Some information right there. Yeah, pretty dope. Good sound quality. Looks really nice. Let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, yeah, so that was the Amazon Echo Show 15 unboxing, first impressions, and demo. Pretty cool. This is $300, but I wouldn't be surprised if it goes on sale for Black Friday. Definitely keep an eye out for that. It's super cool. You can mount it on the wall or have it on a stand, which is pretty cool, in either portrait or landscape, like I showed. Lots of cool functionality. Works pretty well. Display looks pretty good. Speakers sound awesome. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Share it out to anyone who's looking for a new smart speaker. Leave a like as well and comment down below if you have this speaker or any other Amazon Echo speaker or any other smart speaker in general. Check out my Amazon Echo 4th Gen unboxing if you haven't already. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.